Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have some more products to try out from the brand Merit. And Merit is such a fun brand because they're all about minimalism. In fact, the products that I'm trying out today are called the Minimalist, and it's supposed to be your perfecting complexion stick. So a foundation, a concealer in one. So this is a relatively new brand. It's available at Sephora, and Merit sent me their 5-minute morning routine not too long ago, and I've been trying out the products in it. So the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Foundation and Concealer Stick retails for $38. And I also have here their brush number 1 blending brush. So it's supposed to be your number 1 brush in your makeup routine. And I'm going to be using this to blend out the products since these are supposed to go together. And this retails for $30. So in my opinion, a very expensive brand, but when it's supposed to be multitasking and replace so many other products in your routine, then I guess I can understand the high price point. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and clean. It's one of the Clean at Sephora products. For all of these products are Clean at Sephora. There's a decent shade range in the Minimalist stick. I got the shades Dune and Linen because I wasn't sure which one was going to be perfect for me. Linen is light with neutral undertones, and Dune is light with cool undertones, which I really feel like I could be both. It's really nice packaging, and it twists up. Very cool. It seems like there would be like a brush on the end here, but no, it just moves the product up. Okay, and Dune. So I'm gonna do a little swatch, not sure. Okay, well, Dune with the cool undertones looks like a really great shade match for me. And I can actually see, looking at them, they do look pretty different. And then Linen, wow. It's so interesting how undertones change a product shade so much, because some of my skin I feel like is like the cool undertones, more pinky, other times it's more neutral undertones. And it's going to be kind of hard for you to even see the swatches, but just to see how different they actually look. But I'm curious like how they blend out. Yeah, well, since seems very blendable. Since the Linen shade seems like a little bit brighter with the neutral undertones, maybe I'll use this as my concealer, and I'll use the one with the cool undertones on the rest of my face. So going in with Dune, actually let me get my brush ready to go as well. I can't believe this brush is $30. Ooh, it feels so nice though, and very dense and soft. Okay, now I am picking up the shade Dune, and I'm going to focus all this on half of my face so that we can compare the difference. So actually, we'll do this side first. I don't even know. We'll just start like that. See how it buffs in. So it's supposed to have medium coverage. It's supposed to be lightweight. I will say that looks very invisible of a texture on my skin so far. Let's see what I can do over the redness in my cheeks, which so much redness in my cheeks today. Blending this in. I do like this brush. I never use a brush to blend out my foundation, but I'm actually really liking this. It still looks smooth and it's very easy to blend. Oh my gosh. I'm loving how that looks. That actually is doing a really great job of evening out my skin tone. Also, this shade match, pretty right on. I do half of my nose. I'm pretty happy with this coverage. Wow, and how easy it is to blend. Oh my gosh. So I also did not put a primer underneath this. I just have my regular morning skincare routine like I would do every day. So I figured I would definitely want to try this out with my regular skincare products. So I have my serum, my moisturizer, but this is looking nice and smooth over my large pores. I like the texture of this as well. Like, it's a pretty natural texture, so it matches the side of my skin that's just the skincare. So like that shine is there, it looks hydrated. Wow, I am loving this. And then just going to finish the rest of my forehead. Wow, it seriously looks like I have like a skin smoothing, evening, perfecting filter on half of my face, because the texture of the skin looks so natural. The finish, like it really is so lightweight. The shade, oh my goodness. Like, you can barely tell that I'm wearing any product at all, which is exactly the point of this. And I'm so glad that is actually true. So here you can see with it versus without it. I am really blown away right now. So this claims to take the place of concealer as well. So I'm gonna go in with the linen shade here and do a little under eye concealing. I don't think I want to use the brush because I think it's a little bit too big for this area. So let's try out the technique of blending with my finger. Such a creamy, blendable formula that is looking so smooth. I'm so picky about my under eye of how smooth a product is. And that's some decent coverage. It's a little bit darker than what I'm used to wearing on my under eyes, just because I like to use something really light and brightening. But this still, it definitely works. But if I was just trying to get a concealer shade, I probably would have gone like one shade lighter. But just judging this on the texture on the under eyes as well and the coverage, that's really nice. It is already creasing, which pretty much all concealers crease on my under eyes like this. So that's fine with me. But I am just so impressed by the natural finish of this product. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. I think I will also, since I'm loving how this looks on my skin, I'll probably use both shades as all over foundation shades, because even though it does have decent coverage, it's still a little bit sheer that I feel like I can make both of these shades work for me, since I'm really loving how it looks all over my face. See if it can cover up that blemish. Kind of. I think the blemish is still showing a little bit more than I would want. So maybe I'll try building up that coverage there. Just dab a little with my finger. So I think this is where I can see, like, it really is a medium coverage, because I can still see that blemish peeking through, even though I've tried to build it up, but that is okay. I really think this is one of my favorite stick foundations I have ever used. And this brush is also a game changer. I feel like it's living up to that name and the price point. So, wow. And there we have it. I am loving how my skin looks, and it feels truly lightweight. Wow. I feel like I just keep saying wow with this product because I really am so impressed and also kind of surprised because some of the Merit products I love. Some of them are just not really my style and preference, but right here, I am so pleasantly surprised by the coverage I can get, how smooth and natural it looks for the texture of the skin, because that is something I'm so incredibly picky on, and how easy it is to apply. I just feel like they really nailed it with this product. And I think I mentioned that this product was sent to me for free. This probably seems like a sponsored video, but it is not sponsored. I just always give a disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free, and I would always give a disclaimer if it was sponsored. But I have not done a sponsored video in so long. So my finished base makeup right now, I am just loving. Definitely creasing on the under eyes. And so a little bit of creasing in like my fine lines here, but I would just set that with some powder and that's fine. The rest of my skin though, I'm so impressed. It looks truly like skin. It evened out my skin tone. It looks healthy, it looks natural, and I'm so happy with it. I'm looking so up close at the texture and it just passes my pickiness test. So if you've tried this out, I would love to hear your thoughts on it. I am definitely going to continue wearing this for the rest of the day, so I will update you in the description down below with my wear test. I hope, fingers crossed, that this lasts all day looking as beautiful as it is right now. I hope it doesn't dry out, get textured, anything like that, but we will find out. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.